Want to verify your account by phone number on Facebook? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily verify your account with phone number. First thing first, move into your application Facebook. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, now move into menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner. You need to head over to Account Center. Once you're inside your Account Center, you need to head over to Profiles and Personal Details. In the section of Personal Details at the bottom of the screen, you can see Contact Information. Click on it. Once again, add mobile number at the bottom of the screen. Now in this section, choose your country code and then enter your phone number. Once you've entered the phone number that you want to verify from, click on Next. You will receive one verification code on your number. Copy that code and paste it in the section that you're asked to. After that, click on Continue. Once done, your account will be verified with your phone number and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.